In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your birthday on the LinkedIn app. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives, what each visibility option means, and how to make sure your birthday stays private on your profile. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that so the menus look similar to what you see here. On the home screen, look to the top left and tap your profile icon. This is usually your photo or your initials in a small circle. A side menu opens. Tap your profile icon again to open your full profile page. This gets you into the area where you can edit your personal details. On your profile page, find the pencil icon near your name and headline. This pencil is the Edit button. Tap it to open the Edit Intro screen. Here you can adjust your headline, location, and more, but we're heading to Contact Details. Scroll down until you see the option called Edit Contact Info and tap it. This section bundles items like email, phone, websites, and your birthday. Inside Contact Info, look for the birthday field. Right next to it, you'll see a visibility control. Tap the visibility option to open the audience choices. LinkedIn typically offers only you, your connections, your network, or all LinkedIn members. If your goal is to hide your birthday completely so no one else can view it on your profile or get a reminder, choose only you. This setting keeps the birthday visible to you for your own reference, but it won't appear to others. After selecting the visibility you want, make sure to save your changes. Tap Save at the bottom of the screen. This confirms the update and returns you to your profile. If you want to double check, go back into Edit Contact Info to confirm it shows only you next to birthday. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see a birthday listed at all, it may not be added to your profile, which means there's nothing to hide. Also, interface labels can vary slightly between iPhone and Android, but the pencil icon, Edit Intro, and Edit Contact Info are consistent places to look. Finally, changing this to Only You stops others from seeing your birthday on your profile and generally prevents birthday notifications from being sent to your network. That's it. You've successfully hidden your birthday on the LinkedIn app. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider checking out our other quick privacy guides.